Hi YouTubers, well it's me Mike at home with a lovely suntan between the two of us. It's that hot in the Manchester area that it's hotter than going to Spain actually, to be honest with you, and down south. But we're busy doing all the plants and the plotting, so we've done a couple of videos that we thought you might want to see. So I think it's over to Mike, and let Mike discuss. Okay.
Hi everybody. You told we said we were going to plant our corn out because it was getting a bit too long for the greenhouse. As you can see, we've planted it out, and you say it's better part of 3 foot tall. Now, just by way of providing ground cover, I'm going to put a couple of courgettes in there, just to grow something low and grow something high. I believe traditionally people used to put the string beans up the corn and create 3 crops out this way. But yeah, I'm going to put a couple in at the present moment, and one of gold and one of Rambo something or other, a green one at each side, and we'll just see how it goes. Maybe next year we'll try all 3 plants at the same time. Pauline's put a bit of a windbreak up just in case it's a bit cool for it. It shouldn't be. It's cooking us today. I think that's about it from me. I'll see you soon. Remember to press that button that says subscribe if you like it.
Well YouTubers, I just thought I'd mention about these as well now.
The artichokes.
The artichokes. Now me and Mike are a bit stuck. Go on Mike, you ask the question.
Ouch.
Oh, they're prickly things.
They're sharp. We don't know when you're supposed to harvest them. I know you're supposed to take about 3 inches of the stem, but how do you tell when they're ready?
Can somebody give us some advice?
Anybody know when they're ready? Because we've never had them. We've never even eaten them. We're just growing them at the present moment.
Yes, because Karen likes them. So I don't know if you have it with a bit of butter and garlic or what.
I've got an idea of how you have it. Garlic, butter.
But we're not sure when it's ready for picking. So, any advice?
Hi. As you're probably aware from previous plotting alongs, we built this greenhouse and we put polycarbonate in it. There's a few issues with the polycarbonate. It's not so stiff as glass, it's quite flexible. We've even had 1 or 2 blown out. If you open the door on a wind, it's blowing a panel out. So the panels are not as tight as they might be. We bought standard width panels, but I think they could do with being a bit tighter. So to try and address some of these problems, what we're going to do is we're going to do something similar to what Mr. Davidson's done. At some point in time we may put rivets in like he's done, but initially we're going to tape it up top and bottom where the flex is here, where you can see it moves. So we're going to put tape on it. We're also going to, and you possibly can't see it, but we have taped where these large pieces join the small pieces to give it more stiffness. So we've taped that. So, and what we're going to use is proper greenhouse repair tape. It's transparent, it's weatherproof, and you can put it on in all conditions apparently. So we've bought this. This is the stuff. Transparent tape. Bit thicker, bit heavier, and outdoor rated. Now it's a pain in the bum to put on, so it wants to stick everywhere. So I'll give you an indication of how I do it, and we'll see how we go long term. So what to do is get a piece. This is ideal here because at this point we've got a 45-degree angle, so we can just stick it on the 45-degree angle up to a point there. And then what you've got to remember is that the polycarbonate is not against the back rail as it starts, so then you just hold it against the back rail, squeeze that in, and hey presto, it's on. And it feels substantially more rigid, it's not flopping around top and bottom now. Now I'm going to go and do that all the way round, and in the long term I may put some on the sides here as well, but I don't know whether I'll need it. It feels quite a bit stiffer here now that I've done that and that, and if I put a piece up the top, it's probably even stiffer still. So that's what we're going to do. They just don't rattle and clatter right like the rest. They've not got the ability to move and let air out, which will cause a draft and cause it to come out. So that's what we're doing, and we'll get on with that and have a chat about it later.
So the tape, you got it from Wilco's?
Well, I don't know that you're allowed to say that.
Oh, well, it was, put it this way, a well-known company with a W.
Yeah.
And it was, what, $2.50 for how much?
$2.50 per 15 metre long roll.
Right.
So we carry on, we see how it goes. Obviously I'm just wiping all the surfaces before I stick it down, just as a good measure to make sure. Right there, I'll just stick it just onto the top, just to hold it, just enough to hold it so it's steady. Then use my trusty old multi-tool, which again I can't advertise, but I can only tell you it is the best one ever, and the original one, and I've had it quite a few years and it's never let me down. Hold it back, push it in, hold it, push it down. It's not stuck a long way onto the polycarbonate when I do it this way, and that's ripped a bit, but it is stuck and it's supporting it.
Right, so we'll come back.
Well, we'll tell you after the winter how it went on.
Okay.
Because that's when we'll know.
Well, hi, back again. I hope you enjoyed all the little clips of videos that we've done, and me might look forward to seeing you again. So from plotting along here, we hope you enjoyed it. Remember, I've got a tweet as well, which is plotting along X, which I'll answer your questions. So if you've got any comments or any suggestions, please get back in touch with us. We'll see you again. Take care for now. Bye.